Much like your phone, your BMW's touchscreen should be protected, and that is why we're now offering OEM BMW Protective Glass for select touchscreens. Welcome back, I'm Dylan with BeamerTech. If you've seen in a recent video, we put this 10.25-inch screen in our F30 with the help of BeamerTech's screen adapter. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. Regardless, if you have a touchscreen in your BMW, you're going to want to keep it protected. This screen protector is an original BMW accessory, so you can be sure it will have expert fit, finish, and OEM quality. It comes with everything that you need to install it right in the kit. Today we're going to be installing this on this 10.25-inch screen, which you normally find in the G30, G31, and G38. But to get the correct one for your BMW, head on over to our website and enter your VIN, but let us know in the comments below how big yours is. Regardless, we're going to be installing this outside of the vehicle just to make it a little bit easier to show, but you could definitely install this with the screen still in your car. However, it's also very easy to take the screen out, so if you choose to do this as well, you can. Either way, let's get started.
First, open up the box and take out the directions and the preparation packet. Open the packet and remove the contents. Now, the prep work. The first step is to carefully clean the screen with the included wet wipe. Don't push too hard as you don't want to scratch the screen in the event there is any dirt on the screen. Next, dry the screen with the included microfiber cloth. Use it until the screen is completely dry and there's absolutely no dirt or dust on it. If there are any small dust particles visible, use the included dust remover. Now remove the protector from the kit. Peel off the film on the back side labeled Back. Position the protector in the middle of the screen and, once confident, gently press it into place. If you see any bubbles, move them from the inside to the outside using the microfiber cloth. Finally, peel off the front protective film and you're done.
So there you have it. Now your screen is protected. No more worrying about damaging your expensive screen. To get this for your BMW, head on over to our website and enter your VIN to get yours today. As you can see, it's easy to do yourself. But if you don't feel like you're going to be comfortable enough lining it up perfectly and you're in the Orlando, Florida area, then stop on by and we can do it for you. For more product reviews, tips and tricks, and so much more for BMWs, Minis, and Supers, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.